In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to collab YouTube Shorts. You can simply make a remix with a Shorts video on YouTube in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your YouTube app. In the Shorts section, let's say we would like to collab this short video. Just tap on the remix option right here. Then select the option of collab. You will be able to remix and record a video next to the short video you have selected. Make sure to give credit where it's due. That's how easy it is to make a collab on YouTube Shorts videos. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.